Hello class 6 students, welcome all of you in this online session. So today we'll continue our classes in online mode. So as you all know that due to the COVID-19 pandemic, once again all the schools were closed. So we'll continue our study in online mode. Today topic you have, that is chapter 10, that is a ratio and proportion. So first topic, that is a ratio. First topic you have a ratio. So ratio is a ratio of the two quantities is the same unit like a fraction. Ratio of a two quantities जो है same to same है as a fraction. So यहाँ पे see the ratio a is to b is the fraction. So a by b, a is to b means what? A by b written as a is to b, like this. You have to write a and double dot a is to b. Okay, so and how to read this? A is to b, a is to b, and the first term is known as antecedents, or the second term is known as a consequent. Okay, so in this chapter you have to convert the given data in the ratio, and you have to also solve the word problem which are given in ratio. So without any further ado, let's start in detail. So first, important properties as the same you have learned in your fraction chapter, that is a equivalent of fraction. That means you have to multiply with the same number to make the equivalent of a required fraction. So in ratio also you have to multiply with antecedent same number and the consequent by the same number. So again you have to divide it, you can also divide by the same number, and you can also divide by the same number with a denominator or numerator. So this is the required equivalent, how to make a equivalent of a ratio. And now here the how to convert the given ratio into the simplest form. Same to same as in your previous chapter, that is in fraction you have done there. That is when you have given to convert the given fraction in a simplest form, then what we have done there? We have to find the HCF of A and B. आप क्या करते थे वहां पे? फाइंड करते थे HCF. क्या फाइंड करते थे? HCF न्यूमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर का. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू हैव टू फाइंड द व्हाट? HCF of a numerator and denominator, then divide numerator and denominator by the HCF of these two quantities. Okay, so same here also we divide each terms by the HCF of A and B. जो HCF आएगा A and B का उसको डिवाइड कर देंगे, फिर आपका सिंपलेस्ट फॉर्म में आपका क्या आ जाएगा? ये आपका जो रेशियो है सिंपलेस्ट फॉर्म में आ जाएगा. तो इसी को लेकर करना है और इक्विवेलेंट करना है. लाइक फ्रैक्शन ऑलरेडी आपको पता है, इक्विवेलेंट फ्रैक्शन भी आपको पता है और पहले क्लास में आप लोग ऑलरेडी पढ़ चुके हो. सो हम लोग क्या करते हैं, एक्सरसाइज को देखते हैं कि एक्सरसाइज में किस टाइप के प्रॉब्लम और सम्स दी हुई है. ओके, so first exercise in this chapter you have, that is exercise 10a. in first question you have to find each of the following ratio in the simplest form. आपको क्या करना है, यहाँ पे जितना भी रेशियो गिवन है उसको सिंपलेस्ट फॉर्म में करना है. तो 24 to 56, so this is your numerator 24 by 56. Now try to simplest form, convert into simplest form. So it is divisible by 2, that is 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4, again 2 2 ja 4, 2 8 ja 16. Now 2 1 ja and 2 4 ja and 2 6 ja, 2 3 ja and 2 7 ja. So here you have, that is 3 by 7, that is 3 is to 7. Okay, and this in this question number 2 you have given 84 paise and 3 rupees. So in this type of question you have to convert in the smallest unit in rupees and paisa. Which is the smallest? Paise. So you have to convert rupees into paise. So 84 paise to 3 rupees means when you have to convert, how will you convert rupees into paise? So we will have to multiply by 100. So we will get in so rupees will convert in paise. So now you will get 84 paise. So here 84 paise to 300 paise. So now 84 by 300. Now again try to convert in a simplest form. So 2 4 ja 2 2 ja, 2 1 ja 2 5 ja, and 2 7 ja 2 5 ja, 2 2 ja 2 1 ja, and 3 1 ja 3 5 ja and 3 7 ja. So now 7 by 15. So required ratio is 7 is to sorry here 25 3 ja. 7:25 इज योर रिक्वायर्ड आंसर। सो इस तरह से आपको क्या करना है, सॉल्व करना है। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन दैट इज ऑफ अगेन आई एम टेकिंग क्वेश्चन नंबर 5। Question number 5, that is the question number 5. In question number 5 you have given 48 minutes है ना to 1 hour, 48 minutes to 1 hour. So again you have to convert in a smallest unit. So you will have to convert 48 minute already given here, 48 minute is given here. So now convert this 1 hour. So 1 hour is equal to how many minutes? 60 minutes to 60 minutes. Okay, आपको क्या करना है, सेम यूनिट में करना है, सेम यूनिट में करना है, तभी आप इसको सॉल्व कर पाओगे। सो नाउ 48 बाई 60, सो 12 4 जा 48 एंड 12 5 जा, सो 4 बाई 5 दैट इज 4:5 इज योर रिक्वायर्ड आंसर। सो इस तरह से आपको क्या करना है, सॉल्व करना है। नेक्स्ट आई एम गोइंग टू सॉल्व again question number 2 is same है ना। in question number 2 only you have to find the simplest form. So here you have given long ratios. So I will show you how I'm going to solve one question that you all get an idea how to solve this type of question. So I am taking the longest. In question number 6 you have given 777:1147. So here first of all what I said, to convert in a simplest form, first of all we have to find the HCF. पहले क्या करना है, आपको HCF फाइंड करना है। So let's find the HCF of 77 and 1147. So let's find out. Okay, so 7 7 1 ja 7 7 7. So 0, 14 out of 7 7, and here 10 out of 7 3. Now 7 7 7. So 2 ja 2 0 0, 2 7 ja 14, 1 2 3 6 1 7. So 7 3. Now so what you will get, 1 10 ja. Okay, so what is the HCF here? 37. So let's divide by 37 and again 1147 divided on 37. So आपको इसको डिवाइड करना है, ठीक है, इसको आप डिवाइड करोगे। तो इसको करने के बाद मैं इसको डिवाइड कर रहा हूँ यहाँ पे 37 7 7 7. So 37 2 जा 74. Okay, so here 37 to 1 ja, so we'll get what, 21. Again here you have given another question 37 1147 or 37 2 ja 3 ja 3 3 ja 9 3 7 3 ja 3 7 ja 3 7 ja 21 2 3 3 ja 9 to 11. So again 37 1 ja, that is 31. So this is your 21:31 is the required simplest form. So you will all solve like this. Okay, so now I am going to solve question number 2. Question number 2. In question number 2 you have given here question number 2 of 3. In question number 3 you have given 2 meter and 5 centimeter is to 35 centimeter. Okay, so here you have to convert all the data in centimeter. So already here 2 meter means what, 200 centimeters, and 200 plus 5 that is 205 centimeter is to 35 centimeter. Now try to find the simplest form. Okay, see here, so 7 5 ja and 4 5 ja and 4 1 ja, sorry 5 1 ja 5, 5 4 ja 20 and 5 7 35, that is 41:7 is your required answer. So like this you can solve question number 1 2 and 3. So go through the exercise, that is 10A, and solve. Okay, then thank you. In next class we'll continue from question number 4. Okay, thank you class.